Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. And I want to know. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know. So, of course, I've got another unboxing. And like I've been doing recently, I have been peeking into my boxes, taking some, if not all of this stuff out, and giving it a test run so that I can give you an idea of what I think about some of the products. So that's what I've done today, and I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this box. So let's open it up and dive right in and see what I got. Now, this is my second base box that I get, and I do get 2 each of my Boxycharm subscriptions, and might I just add, I pay for these babies, so I don't get them free for review, PR, or any stuff like that. Getting 2 boxes gives me the option to choose a couple of different things in my boxes and obviously get different variations for you guys. And of course, for me, because it's a great deal for 25 bucks. And this month's theme is sweet treats. Now, obviously, we do get the card in each of our boxes, and on the other side of the card is a list of all the products inside the box with descriptions, prices, all that good stuff. Now, I know that a lot of you, I have been watching some other unboxings, and also I've seen comments. A lot of you did not get a Netasha Denona palette in your box. That's some bullshit. Honestly, like, yeah. That's really surprising. And even though I got them, I still am disappointed for you. Anyway, the variation of this base box is variation 43. I will show you the item I got that I chose first. Now, this is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. It's got hyaluronic acid, all that good stuff in it. Now, when I did my choices, I got so sidetracked and consumed with add-ons that I did not pick my choices until after the fact. And a lot of them were sold out. I completely had a brain fart. So the color that was closest to my complexion that was to choose from was the color Honey. Well, let me just say, it's the wrong color for me completely. But it says on the card, this is a $35 tinted moisturizer. And like I mentioned, it does have hyaluronic acid in it. It also states that it's a light to medium coverage that is formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage. Not only did I get the wrong color, which it's my own fault. This is what it looks like. And the other thing, I sat here pumping this forever. I got so frustrated. The pump's not working. So that pissed me off. But look at how far off. Well, first of all, the little straw thing that is supposed to hook to the bumper, it's lost inside. I know. And look at how far off that color is. it's definitely too dark for my complexion. Now, despite the color being off, I did use it just to give it a try and to see how I liked it, how it felt, how it covered, everything. It felt okay. I'm not a fan of tinted moisturizers, and this one really was no different. I've got oily skin, so a lot of times products like this don't work well for me because they're too moisturizing, too dewy, it just doesn't work for my skin. But overall, it was okay. It was okay. The next thing I got is from the Cream Shop, and it's a Smile Shading Cream Trio. So that's what it looks like, and I put it back in the box backwards. So this is the adorable little packaging. Super cute, right? It's like a cream contour palette. I used it too. So I wasn't a fan. This cream is so thick. I had such a hard time blending it. And I mean, I did eventually get it blended in. Not a fan. So we're 2 for 2. Not doing too good here, are we? So the Cream Shop, the 123 Smile Shading Cream Palette, retails for $18, and it is a contour palette, it says, and it's formulated to be ultra blendable. I disagree. Also ultra buildable for perfectly shaped and sculpted features. Moving on. I got this, and it's from Georgette Klinger? Got it? It's a vitamin C mask. Excited to get this. I do really enjoy masks like this that are non-cheap masks, and vitamin C, always good to have. This one retails for $36, so this baby's not cheap, but nor is it super expensive, so that's okay. It says here that it revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes. It's a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. So it is a clay-based mask, which for someone like me with oily skin, that's actually a really good thing. So I'm excited to try this. I will let y'all know. Okay, next is a lip gloss. I love lip glosses, so I'm happy to get this, and it looks like a super pretty color, and it's by Bombshell. So it's got your normal doe foot. It's a very sheer lippy with some like sparklies in it. It's pretty. Lippies like this I use as toppers over a matte base, which is what I did today. So really liking this. It feels okay. It's not sticky. It's not too silky. You know, it's got a nice shine, shimmer, all that good stuff. I'm happy with it. The Bombshell Cosmetics lip gloss retails for $14, which that's pretty affordable. So it pretty much just says it's formulated for long wear and high gloss. Doesn't say anything special in there to nourish your lips or anything. So that's fine. Now I know some of y'all are going to be kind of disappointed, but yeah, I got another Netasha Denona palette. However, this palette, it is the Ayanna palette. And this is the one I was hoping to get when all the sneak peeks came out. And I do have it on today. I love it. Absolutely love it. But if you have been to my channel before, you know Mama is obsessed with neutrals. Love me my neutrals. And this performed incredibly. Like I said, I really, really like it. And the shimmers are super buttery and beautiful. They go on so easy. Look at those shimmers. And then the mattes, they just, it really, again, it performed phenomenally. Now, these palettes do go for $48, even though they are 5 p.m. smaller palettes, I say. These are full-size pans, unlike the other Netasha Denona mini palettes that go for, I think, $25. Those have smaller pans and less product. So, unlike these are the full-size pans. So, it's a $48 palette. So, again, over the moon that I got this. Now, these palettes are exclusive to Boxycharm. So, if you go try to find one for yourself, it's not going to be easy unless you look on, like, Mercari or Poshmark. If you haven't tried Mercari before, I do have a link down below that'll get you $10 off your first purchase on Mercari. So, you know, if these are something you want to try to track down for yourself, use that code to save a couple dollars. And, of course, these are cruelty-free, allergen-free, all that good stuff. So, okay, that was my second Boxycharm Base Box. What do we think? I mean, again, like I said before, I kind of have a love-hate with the relationship with this box because I do really, really love some of the products, and a couple of them, I didn't have very good luck with them. But either way, for 25 bucks, it's still a great value. And the total value of my box is $151.00. So, again, a really, really good value. So that is it. Thank you, of course, as always, for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my unboxings. I do appreciate you. And if you haven't done so already, I would love it if you would smash that subscribe button. Trying to not only bring you unboxings and giveaways, but Jeannie and I are really working together in bringing you additional unboxings and content and spoilers and stuff like that, and working together so that between our two channels, you're pretty much, as far as the subscription boxes and stuff like that, you're gonna find what you're looking for. So definitely subscribe. And at the end of my video is Jeannie's bobblehead. Go hit her up, tell her I sent ya, and check out the great stuff over on her channel. Love you guys bunches. I will talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.